Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video we will discuss the Hide Additional Fields extension. Let's navigate to the Events Additional Fields tab from Settings. Create some additional fields. I have already created these fields and options. You can observe these values in the Events Additional Fields. Preview the event to see all the fields. Now, let's design template for our events. Click on Add New Page. Give it a title. Select All Events option from Apply on drop-down menu. Select any default template or create your own. Publish the page. Click on Save Changes and then Edit with Elementor. Design the template by selecting widgets from the Single Page Builder Pro category. To display additional fields, add the Event Additional Fields widget. Update and view the result. Now all the additional fields are visible. Let's consider this event. Suppose you want to hide the website and gender field. Check these fields and update. As you can see after refreshing the page, those fields are hidden. Changes in one not affect other event field. Let hide degree and hobby of another event. Now let uncheck these fields and learn about the Single Additional Fields feature. Go to the template page. By default, all the fields are visible. Enable the option to select specific fields. Select fields that you want to shown. Now you can select your desired fields at desired positions. This feature also supports hiding extensions. Hiding from one does not affect other. Thanks for watching the video.